Environmental toxins and the global epidemic of childhood obesity. For centuries, obesity was seen as a sign of health and wealth, indicating sufficient or even excessive food intake. The stereotype persists in many cultures around the world, with a chubby baby still being cherished as the picture of health. Unfortunately, the reality is quite different. Today, a global epidemic of childhood obesity is underway, with patterns of obesity and diabetes previously seen only in adults now developing in children worldwide. Obesity has more than tripled among the children in the Western world since 1970s. Type 2 diabetes, heart disease, cancers, and joint and mobility problems are the consequences of obesity and now plague the health of many children. Today's human-engineered environments creates a much more sedentary lifestyle for our children than for the children of previous generations. Urban housing with unsafe outdoor playgrounds, parks, and walking areas breeds a generation of children who return from school to the safety of indoors, where their playtime consists of watching television, playing computer games, and snacking on high-calorie commercial snacks. Sprawling suburban communities without sidewalks and with no town or village centers within walking distance require automobiles to access the necessities of life such as grocery stores, shopping malls, schools, playgrounds, distant parks. The lack of interesting, natural outdoor play spaces like vacant lots, woodland paths, or waterfronts where a child has the freedom to explore the world with other children leads to an increase in attention deficit disorder, anxiety, depression, and obesity. Moreover, research is beginning to shed light on some other factors that may contribute to obesity. Some early life exposures to environmental chemicals that can act as obesogens are now linked with a tendency toward both childhood and adult obesity. Obesity has been linked also with maternal smoking during pregnancy, exposures to PCBs and phthalates, which both are universally present in our environment and in the bodies of almost all of us, in addition to organochlorine pesticides, such as DDT, which is found in the bodies of most people around the world today since they persist in the global food supply. Another organochlorine pesticide, lindane, or HCB, hexachlorobenzene, is still very present in our environment. Most recently, air pollution, which carries a load of multiple toxic chemicals, has been linked also with obesity among children and adults as well. Copyright Academy House www.academy.house